If you want to measure heart rate on POCO X7 Pro, let's go to the settings, scroll all the way down, open additional settings, and here we can find heart rate. And now we can also compare this heart rate with Apple Watch Series 10. So let's click start, accept all of these permissions. Now we have to put our finger on fingerprint scanner, and we have to wait for final result. After 10 seconds we'll get it, so just be patient. And here I have 74 bitrate per minute. Let's find out how it actually looks on my Apple Watch. So it start measuring. It showed me around 66. Let's try to do this one more time. Here I have 64, 63 on Apple Watch, but on POCO it looks a little bit higher. Okay, now it actually drops into 64. And on Apple Watch I've got around 72. So as you can see, there's actually some differences between results. But yeah, that's basically how you can check this. I'm not actually sure if it is reliable. Looks like it's not reliable at all, but it's also not that bad. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.